Sometimes my musician friends ask to borrow my gear. Generally, I'm okay with that. And I know that normal wear and tear is, well, normal. And I know that packed cargo can shift during transportation. And I know that not everyone treats gear with the same protectiveness. And I know that the show is the most important thing. And I know not everyone knows how to properly work some things. And I know musicians use stage tricks to get attention. And I know artists like to rebel. And I know artists like to be seen as cool. But they're my speaker stands. Specifically, the knobs that keep them solid when in use. Here, you can see the damage. So I remove them to start repairs. This base will hold me knobs in place and make a mold for the product to glob on. The bigger the glob, the better the job. The hole saw took a long time to cut through this particle board. So I used some wax to get it to work better. The paddle bits cut out the holes for the knob shoulders to fit into. I cleverly cut the holes right over the trash can to minimize cleanup. The product I used was regular old name brand 2-part body filler. The gray group is the filler. The red goop is the hardener. Mix it together well and it hardens like rock candy. If I had any skill at this, there would only be filler where I needed it. File off the excess. I had lots of gaps to fill. I decided to fill in the spaces in back of the knobs for more strength. More filing. I considered painting the knobs another color for identification, but I realized the paint would come off and then the black would show through, so I just reverted to black. I'm surprised I didn't get paint all over my sweater for once. Me knobs needed something written on them, but my handwriting sucks. So I printed out white letters on black background. I knew the paper wouldn't last, so I covered them in packing tape. It's like laminating without the heat, or the expense, or the rigidity. Not bragging, but I used shoe goo to hold the badges on the knobs. I had to cut darts in them so the badge would conform to the roundness of the face of the knob. I tried two methods for holding the badges in place, rubber bands and a specific cylinder. Here you can see all the body filler in the back to strengthen me knobs for the future. fixed until the next time someone borrows them.